Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about commonly confused words in English, to study versus to learn. Bill and Ted are students in school. They both work hard to do well and get good marks. Right now, they're studying because they don't know the subject very well. Diana is taking a test. She doesn't know the information because she never learned it. She studied a lot for the test, but this information never became part of her knowledge. Teaching moment. Pause the video to solve the exercise. When a person learns something, it becomes part of their knowledge. They know this information and can use it. When a person studies, they work to gain knowledge. This includes reading, writing, watching, listening, and understanding. After this process, they know the information. Examples. Practice exercises. Pause the video to solve the exercise. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please hit like and subscribe for more English videos.